Ayan.
Take two.
Space na lang.
Space.
Naka-okay na ba?
Oo.
Way
Dahil
back.
gumagaya na
Take
tayo.
one.
I'm getting really nervous.
You'll be fine. You just use your normal, nice voice that I've heard so much of in the last 3 days.
It's like, my throat's closing up.
Tapos kontak ko na lang si Justin, oh.
It's fine. It's just a
Bukas.
2-minute song.
Ha?
Kontak ko si Justin.
Puntakin mo na.
Oo.
I've been living with a shadow overhead. I've been sleeping.
Just a little bit louder, because this song is intended for humans. Okay? Way back in love. Take two.
I've been living with a shadow overhead. I've been sleeping with a cloud above my head. I've been lonely for so long. Trapped in the past, I just can't seem to
12:10.
move on.
I've been hiding all my hopes and dreams away, just in case I ever need them again someday. I've been setting aside time to clear a little space in the corner of my mind.
All I wanna do is find a way down into love. I can't make it through without a way back into love.
Nasa post office. Ayaw ko naman.
I've been watching but the stars refuse to shine. I've been searching but I just don't see the sign. I know that it's out there. There's got to be something for my soul somewhere.
I've been looking for someone to shed some light, not just money, just to get me through the night. I could use some direction, and I'm open to your suggestions.
All I wanna do is find a way back into love.
I can make it through without a way back into love.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
If I open my heart again, I guess I'm hoping you'll be there for me in the end.
Never say.
You're serious.
Whenever I can work with amateurs, that is my rock and roll place. Because millions of women find that very sexy.
Uy! May ano ba?
There are moments when I don't know if it's real or if anybody feels the way I feel. I need inspiration, not just another negotiation. All I wanna do is find a way back into love.
Dapat kita ka.